Do you want to earn 10,000 rupees every month as passive income?
From stock dividends.
From rental income?
No. From bonds.
Passive income from bonds.
But how much money would that take?
Probably some crores.
No, guys, not crores. You probably have that money in your FD. Quick refresher. A bond is just you lending money to the government or a company, and they pay you fixed interest for it and return your principal amount at a fixed date. Now, there are two broad ways to earn 10,000 rupees monthly, through government bonds or corporate bonds. Here's the thing though, the amount you need to invest changes depending on how much risk you're willing to take. For corporate bonds, if you're investing in the super safe AAA rated bond, you will need around 15 lakh to get 10,000 rupees a month. But if you're comfortable taking slightly more risk with an A or triple B rated bond, you can get to that same 10,000 rupees with just 10 to 12 lakh rupees. See that? The safer the bond, the more capital you need for the same 10,000 rupees. So for government bonds specifically, you are looking at roughly 18 to 25 lakh for the same 10,000 rupees. They are the safest option of all, which is exactly why they need the most capital upfront. Now, here's where things actually get interesting. You don't have to put all your money into just one bond. The smarter move is to split your money across government and corporate bonds, different ratings, different tenures. Let me show you what that actually does to your returns. Say you've got 15 lakh rupees to invest. Instead of parking it all in one AAA rated bond, split it into chunks of 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs across different bonds. Now, do you look at that total? 11,260 rupees. That's more than the 10,000 rupees you started with. You needed 15 lakh rupees, the same as the single AAA bond earlier. But now it's spread across different ratings and tenures. So you end up earning more with your risk spread out instead of sitting in one place. Now, the bonus tip. Think about this. What happens when your bond matures? Your income suddenly stops, right? That's exactly what we solve with bond laddering. See, you've already got bonds maturing at different times, right? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and so on. Every time one matures, you take that principal and reinvest it into a fresh, longer bond. The 1 year bond becomes a 5 year bond, the 2 year one becomes a 4 year bond, and so on. You create a ladder, and once it's built, your passive income never really stops. It just keeps rolling forward. We've actually got a full video breaking down bond laddering step by step. You'll find the link in the description. And tell us now, would you rather have your money sitting idle in an FD or savings account or earn from it? If this video helped you, share it with someone still stuck thinking passive income needs crores. And don't forget to subscribe to Fixed Returns Academy by Grip Invest.
Fixed returns do not constitute guaranteed or assured returns. Investments in corporate debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to credit risks, market risks, and default risks, including delay and or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.